Today's show is all about a housewarming. And I'm going to be fixing up a meal, and I'm going to be taking it to Jamie and Brooke's house. They just bought this beautiful house on the water, and the two kids they're just exhausted. But I did want to have a few of their friends in to help them warm up their new home. And, you know, the last thing they're going to want to do is cook. So Mama's going to do the cooking. And I'm going to start today by making a cheesy broccoli bake. All right, we're going to start by melting a couple of tablespoons of butter. And then I'm going to saute our celery. We're going to toss in our onions. And I'm going to add regular button mushrooms. Now, I'm going to let these saute right by themselves. Now we're going to move over here. I've got 2 pounds of fresh broccoli. I've got water chestnuts. I've got cream of mushroom soup. I've got garlic salt. And I've got a soft cheese product. And I'm going to start by melting together the cheese and the cream of mushroom soup. And I'm just going to melt those together. And I'm going to add the garlic salt to the sauce for our casserole. I'm going to toss in my water chestnuts. I love these because, you know, they don't have a whole bunch of taste to them, but I love the crunch that they give to this dish. Jamie and Brooke are so lucky that they were able to find a beautiful house here in Savannah. And Jamie said when he found the house, he said, "Mama, this is the house we're going to live in forever. This is the house that we're going to raise our 8 children in." I really do hope that this is the place they can stay forever. All right, our cheese is melting up nicely. All right, and our mushrooms and celery and onions are done. So we'll just add those to the broccoli and the water chestnuts. Now we've got our cheese and our soup and our garlic salt melted, and it's not, you can see it's nice and creamy. You can see how smooth that cheese melts out. And I'm just going to pour that over the broccoli and the other vegetables. There is just nothing like a casserole. Tastes good, it works great for leftovers. All right, now I'm just going to toss this together, and then all we have to do is put this in the oven and just heat all the ingredients all the way through, because I think I failed to tell y'all the broccoli that I started with was 2 pounds of broccoli that I had steamed off. So it's not raw, I did steam it off. So everything's cooked, but we're just gonna bake this for about 25 minutes. Doesn't that look good? I'm gonna just spray our dish. All right, now we've got it well mixed. Let's transfer this to our baking dish. All right. So here we go. For 25 minutes. I've got 2 casseroles, I've got one ready. And now you don't wanna cheese this at the beginning, because if this cheese sat on it for 25 minutes, it would get a hard crust, and we don't want that. We want it just melted and running softly through the top of this casserole. All right, so in the oven this is gonna go. It's just that simple. All right, so that'll stay just for a few minutes, just until it's melted. Hey, I'm so glad y'all are back, because the broccoli bake's ready. Look at it. I've just got to sample it, and I think I'm pretty good at sampling stuff without messing it up. Oh, look how hot. I think I've got a little bit of everything on that fork. Can you hear the crunch? I love those water chestnuts. You're gonna love it.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.